the worst is yet to come. So listen to this very carefully, what is really going on in the market. And I honestly, this rebound cannot be trusted. Just listen to this very, very carefully here.
It does take us to our talk of the tape, the market's next move, and whether this rebound really can be trusted. We're all wondering that, of course. So let's ask Tom Lee. He joins us now live. Welcome. It's good to see you.
Great to see you, Scott.
So I look at your notes today, and you suggest the worst is behind us. What makes you think that?
Well, I think the thing that we're watching is the VIX spike to 60 on Monday, which is the third highest reading ever, and the VIX futures curve inverted, which was the steepest inversion since the pre-pandemic times. Both are starting to normalize. I think the VIX, as it closes below 20, and it hasn't closed yet, and as that VIX futures term structure uninverts, that tells us the worst of the panic is behind us. I don't think it means we won't have ripple effects, because we know there's some trapped bulls, and there's still some nervousness around Iran and how much of this yen carry trade has to unwind. But I think the worst of the selling.
So the worst is about to come. Anyways, the panic is in the market right now. So you cannot really honestly rely that, okay, the market really rebounded and we can just move on or buying the shares of your favorite companies. So look at this NVIDIA right here. NVIDIA is literally consolidating in these two levels right here. $110 and $97 is like, this is the craziest consolidation. So this consolidation, of course, having one red day, next green day, and today was turned into green and just end up right back into red. So, but look at the volume right here. It's just less than 50 million shares sold. So, of course, because they don't want to really hold NVIDIA following coming in Monday, because the market can really open low, because you never know. The Japan stuff or the Iran stuff and all, things can really change during weekend. And when they change during weekend, of course, keep that or bear that in mind, that Monday the Asian markets can really show you that red or green day, what's going to come further. So the first Asian market is going to open, of course, and the European market is going to open, and they will really show you that clear picture. That's why, of course, most of the stocks got really sold out at the closing bell. So now go here weekly and see this absolutely tight consolidation between $105 to $99. This is a very tight consolidation, right? We are trading right now. But this, honestly, this week formed like this. But anyways, Monday we will see there, but where we are heading exactly. But if we are heading in a nice uptrend, if we are heading on a nice uptrend, we should be able to cross $105 and make that as a nice support. But again, I know a lot of you guys, you're losing money, massively losing money, but be careful when you really take the trades, or because these days, honestly, trading in the market was really nasty, honestly. So much bad fluctuation, was really hard trading these days. So you can come down to the group. You can click the link down in the description below, and you can join the group. And it's less than $18. There are few limited seats. I increase the seats again, and after this 7 seats, of course, you'll be end up paying $40 around something. You'll be end up paying more for per month. You can lock up this price, and you can really enjoy trading with us. You can know all the notifications when the market is going up or down, or if there's any danger or this kind of stuff. You can know exactly where the market is heading, and so you can take precautions, right? I'm talking this with my 10 years experience, but believe me, market is really nasty. So be careful, try to take the nice swing trades and try to take that advantage. But you can join the group and take the trades with us. You can see when I'm buying, when I'm selling, every single thing. You will be informed every time I'm about to take a step, and you can just go hand in hand with me. So waiting for you, and let's trade together and make some money. No one wants your money, but you get to keep all that. But only I'm telling, take precautions, trade in a nice way. So coming back to this on a weekly chart here, look at this. We need the $105 as a support, as a nice support. Only then, of course, we will be heading on the top side. But again, if I go to 4 hours chart, I will see a different story unwinding right here. Okay, so this 4 hours chart, it will show you absolutely bullishness on the stock, which honestly I don't want to trust, because this can even break down and come down to $97 again, because one candle honestly is more than enough on Monday for the stock really to pull down, come down to $97. But be careful again, if you don't know how to take trades in all these levels and all, you can join the group. You'll be guided there. I'm not telling this is a financial advice, but it is with my experience. You can honestly copy and trade with us. Maybe it'll give you much better results. So coming back to this, $104 is really not trusted. Even I'm not going to trust. As you saw right there in the news, Tom Lee says that market are really in panic. The massive selling pressure is right behind us because there is still panic in the stock market. So be careful with your trades. So if I go to S&P 500 chart, you will see something really interesting here. Look at this. It shows the same uptrend like Nvidia does. But again, I am not going to trust this honestly. If it has to flush down, it will flush down to 523 points or 22 points, and it can really bounce back and forth and just climb on an uptrend on a 4 hour chart and reach safely to 554. This can be the, honestly, this can be the trend if it really on Monday, if we are going with a nice trend. Look at this. I'm trying to make sense right here. Look at this, is the triangle which we are trying to trade on a 4 hours basis on S&P 500. Of course, so does Nvidia, will do the same. All the major tech stocks, blue chip stocks, they will exactly do the same. So, but first, I am not going to trust this market so clearly, because there are so many things unwinding around the world, and that is really affecting the market massively in a downside. So, or in a very bad consolidation. When there is a consolidation, of course, the trade becomes really bad, or the swing trades, they also become really bad. But again, we can trade on a small cap, so you can trade with us and make some money even in this dirty market, but careful trades, honestly. So going back to Nvidia here, where Nvidia is heading exactly. I told Nvidia is trying to follow the same pattern as S&P 500 is doing here. But again, once it flushes down honestly below this $101 level, that's going to become nasty, and honestly the panic's gonna discontinue, and the sell button, everyone's going to just sell, and the outcome is exactly one sells, the major firm sells, of course the next one sells, the next one sells. So the entire market can really flush down very, very easily on just 4 hours basis. If you see here, the market can really show you the bad dreams that you never ever saw. So this is the consolidation on an hourly chart. What we are seeing right here, $109 to almost $99. So Nvidia or any other stock, they are following S&P 500 trend absolutely, of course, and because there is panic selling behind us, behind the stock market. So bear in mind, it's still not a very clear buy, I think so. Monday we'll know the clear picture, and we will see more and more clear where the market is heading, or because Asian markets and the European market, they matter a lot for the US stock market because it influences very heavy. And based on that, we will see our position, and I will be adding more positions in Nvidia, trying to add probably $1 million more in Nvidia because it's a fantastic stock. So thank you so much, Paul, and see you in the next video. Join the group, and you can trade with us in the Discord, and you can find the clean trades is just less than $18. You can lock it for a month and you'll be paying only $18 a month. But if after the 7 seats are full, believe me, you'll be paying more than $30. So lock cheap price, $18 is nothing. Honestly, look your trades. Of course, I have to keep some fees because I don't want everyone to come for free and make it as a garbage Discord. So thank you so much for watching, and probably see you in the next video.